Hello, this is Zach at Bill Estes Ford. This is the 2022 F150 Lightning. It's going to be the Pro model. It's going to be a blue certified vehicle. We put our own warranty on it. Going to have the gray vinyl seats. Going to have the navigation big touchscreen. Backward camera, heated mirrors, shifter that goes down. Big center console. Big back seats here. Vinyl flooring, which I prefer. I love the rear taillights on these Lightnings. Spray and bed liner. Blind spot monitoring on the mirrors. If you have any questions about this vehicle, give me a call at 317-858-6918. We're coming to Bill Estes Ford and see Zach.